Alright, just got a container from Japan. Let's see what we got inside. Should be some good stuff. Straight from M-Tech MRS Soul Shakers, Japan. We're now the official United States importer for Kawasaki for them. Very excited about this.
Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company. And we've just become a distributor for MRS M-Tech from Japan. The producers of the absolute best quality Kawasaki 900 parts on earth. What I'm introducing today is a 1975 Z1 900 body set. It's called Candy Super Red. It's fantastic. It's fantastic paint. It's beautiful. We have a video available that we're going to put on our webpage showing how they make the gas tank. This is perfect. This is perfect. Now we also have a blue set that's on a bike. This is what it looks like. Now this is more of a hot rod kind of sort of Z1. This is all stock with the exception of the exhaust pipe. But anyway, to get away from that, this is what the bike would look like in brown. There's no dents, there's no scratches, there's no rust in the tank. It's absolutely knockout gorgeous. We have a few sets available as this stuff's getting hard to find. So if you're interested, please contact us on our webpage at johnnysvintagemotorcycle.com. Thank you.